Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and post a service listing on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org right here, and from this main page you're going to see at the top of the screen you can first access your location if it hasn't been automatically selected, and in the upper right corner we have the account tab that's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in. So once you have logged in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started with taking a look at the upper left corner and clicking the post and add option. This is going to enable us to select what kind of ad we want to post. As you can see, select what type of posting this is, and now you can go ahead and offer services. As you can see right here, service offer, or if you want you can go ahead and click wanted if you're looking for a job or something similar, but here we have the option to offer services and you can choose a category right here. So you have automotive services, beauty services, financial services, whatever it might be. You can go ahead and select one of the options, and this is going to take you to this new page from where you can get started filling out the info for your service. You have the posting title, the city or neighborhood it's in, you can give the description of the service and so on, and select all the info right here. And once you're satisfied and want to post the ad on Craigslist, just click continue, confirm, and you're successfully going to put your ad on Craigslist. So that's how it's done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.